Are you tired of seeing products online promising miracle relief for knee pain? The RejuvaKnee Triple Method Massager claims to be a revolutionary device designed to ease knee discomfort, boost circulation, and restore joint mobility using a combination of heat, compression, and massage therapy. On paper, it sounds like a breakthrough for anyone suffering from stiff or painful knees. But when you dig deeper, the reality may be a bit more complicated. This device is marketed heavily with bold promises, claiming it can repair knee joints and eliminate chronic pain entirely. Yet evidence supporting these claims is virtually non-existent. Many online reviews, particularly on platforms like Trustpilot, highlight issues such as subscription traps, recurring billing complaints, and slow or unresponsive customer service. Additionally, research suggests that the RejuvaKnee Massager might simply be a generic heated knee brace that has been rebranded and sold at a significant markup, often sourced from Chinese dropshipping suppliers. Marketing materials frequently feature staged or fake testimonials, AI-generated images, and high-pressure tactics such as limited-time offers designed to push people into buying quickly. Despite these red flags, some users report mild relief from the warmth and gentle compression, which may provide temporary comfort but does not substantiate the product's bold claims. The massager's construction and materials appear standard for a heated brace, and there is no credible clinical evidence that it can regenerate cartilage, fix joint damage, or provide long-term pain elimination. While it's not outright dangerous and may offer some soothing effect, the combination of aggressive marketing, subscription issues, and inflated pricing makes it clear that potential buyers should approach cautiously. Overall, the RejuvaKnee Triple Method Massager is one of those products that may provide minor comfort but falls short of the miracle solution it advertises. And anyone considering purchasing it should carefully weigh the cost versus realistic expectations before making a decision.